How's it going, guys? Altus Tech here with the 18th installment in the Photoshop Basics tutorial series. Wow, 18 already, that's pretty good. Anyway, today I'm going to be going over two really useful tools, which would be the Dodge and Burn tool. I use these all the time and they're extremely simple, so you guys should have a really easy time learning these two tools. Let me give you the premise behind these two tools. Basically, they make things lighter and darker. Pretty simple premise there. Okay, so I've got a blank document. Just blank document. I'm going to go ahead and select a random color. Let's go ahead and select purple or pink, whatever that is. Go ahead and select a rectangle using the rectangle tool and just plop one right in the middle of our document here, just like so. And I'm going to go ahead and select the Dodge tool first of all, which is the pin icon. I'm not quite sure why Adobe picked a pin, but whatever. And we're just going to start applying this tool onto our shape here, and as you can see, it's making it lighter, because basically what it does, it's going to make all the pixels that it touches lighter and lighter and lighter as much as you want to apply it onto it. Anyway, we'll go ahead and Control Z that. Go ahead and select the Burn tool, which is again kind of an odd icon choice. It's a decrepit hand from as far as I can see, kind of weird. Anyway, we'll go ahead and select that and we'll start applying it onto our shape again, and as you can see, it's going to make things darker. Now this tool is really useful for shadows. Basically these two tools mostly used for things like adding depth to an image, contrast, shadows, as you can see. Anyway, I'll go ahead and Control Z that. I'm going to show you guys a really easy way to add shadows to your images, and it's going to add, it's going to allow you guys to do some really cool layering effects, and it's really easy to do. Okay, so right here I have a really boring P, not too much to really divulge into that. I'm going to go ahead and select the Burn tool, and I'm just going to go under it really easily like that. And there you go, guys. It's that easy. See, now that image looks a million times better. Looks really cool with the contrast. It looks like the P's all crazy with a bunch of layers onto it and everything like that. So it looks pretty good. And one thing to keep in mind is you don't want to overdo it with these tools, because if you do, it's not going to look as good. So I'll just give you an example here. If I keep doing it, it's going to look all crazy like that. Now it's too much, and now it just looks demonic. But yeah, you guys get the idea. It's really easy to use. Let me give you guys two quick examples of where I've used these two tools. Here's just a little quick art thing I did here. So you see these lighter bits, I used the Dodge tool, and the darker bits I used the Burn tool. So the sun's touching the deck here, so it's going to make it darker. There's a shadow created by this platform here, which is going to make things darker under here, used by the Burn tool. Right here as well, shadows, and over here as well. So you can, as you can see, it adds depth to the image. It makes it really cool. One other example would be the Brandonia Productions layout, which I designed a few weeks ago, and as you can see, I used the Burn tool to add shadows, just as I just showed you. So it's really easy to do. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys now should be able to use both of these tools on your own, and create some awesome images. I hope this was helpful. Make sure to comment, rate, favorite, and subscribe as always. Also check out my channel for more tutorials such as this one, as well as more tech-related content and awesome stuff like that. Thank you for watching as always, and stay tuned for more.